Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am soldering this IC. As you can see, some pads are missing, so let's start by restoring these traces. First I will grind off UV mask and tin the trace. I will run a thin wire in place of missing trace and secure them with UV mask. Grind off excess UV mask. Now let's tin all pads. Let's resolder chip. So first I will preheat the board and place IC on board and press it to make sure all pads make contact properly. Now remove excess solder with soldering iron. Now let's reflow the chip. First heat IC and around it and move it gently and align it with pads. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.